Hey guys, what's happening? How to post more than 10 photos on Instagram. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram. Alright, click your profile icon at the bottom right, and then what you're gonna do, go ahead and click the plus button at the top right, and then hit post. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the double photo right here, or the double layer icon next to the camera. You can now add up to 20 photos or videos in your next post. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select my photo. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and vice versa. So after you've added more than 10 photos, go ahead and hit next. And then you can, if you want to add music, text, or another photo, just go ahead and do it, and then hit next at the bottom right, and you're gonna be able to post that photo or video onto your Instagram. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.